On est là. On est rendu au Tramopy. Tour. Et c'est un départ.
And there, and where we have the zip line in all that area, like this, or like the primary forest there away on the hills. And we have secondary forest. In this area we have 80 hectares with transitional forest. We have one fig tree, and the smaller one on that side is another fig tree. 55 species of fig trees in fire. You go to see that waterfall, you can climb by the water. Tell the smoke, you can have an intoxication for almost 1 week or 3 days. Okay, here you can see the secondary forest and you can see the primary forest away on the hills. There you can see that big worms hanging, they are the fruits. You see that?
I do.
We have a feeding station. Side, to the right, we have the Gumbo Limbo. You see the red tree? Gumbo Limbo is the largest ornamental tree from Costa Rica. You can find some species from USA till Panama only in this slab. They are typical species in dry forest. All that is species. Okay, you see that vine? That lion? Monkey ladder. The vines climb on the way up looking for true light. And everything moves like a circle. That is the first stage of the plant. They are just like a cut and they start to come up. So when we go on the way down, they come on the way up. It's delicious. You know, saw the ice cream store, La Pops. There you can try the. With the pork meat. You can make paper, or we can feed animals in coffee plantations. They use. Suppose if you want to keep something beautiful in your garden for 1 month, 2 months, or 3 months, you can use heliconias. If you want to attract a lot of species of insects, reptiles and birds, do you apple or water apple, manzana de agua? Morgan's coffee is full of that trees. I remember some species. The fruits look like pears, but they have a salty flavor. Okay, this the fur in this leaf is helping to that leaf to keep